Hello everyone. Today we have come up with a free certified course from NIT Patna, which is a 1 week certificate program on social robotics and AI. You can find this link on EduBard website. So for those of you who don't know what exactly EduBard is, so EduBard is an educational platform that helps you keep updated with the latest job and internship opportunities. Also, you will get updated with the free online courses that are being offered by various institutions across India or the world. So the overview. 1 week certificate program on social robotics and AI, jointly organized by MNIT Jaipur, PDPM, IIITDM Jabalpur, and NIT Patna. The course imparts in depth knowledge on social robotics. I'll just zoom in. Okay. So this course is being jointly organized by one of the most reputed colleges of India, MNIT Jaipur, IIITDM Jabalpur, and NIT Patna. So the date of workshop is from 28th June to 4th of July 2021, and the key features about this course is the online and live lecture sessions by subject experts, comprehensive tutorials and practice notes, online lab and training sessions, follow-up sessions and discussion forums on research problems and internships. You will be diving deep into the social robotics and AI field. Here you will be here the top experts of those subject will be lecturing you. Also, the comprehensive tutorials and practice notes will be provided during the course duration, and online lab and training sessions will also be held. So the course content, which is the most important, I'll just zoom in. So, introduction to robotics, robot kinematics, mobile robots, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. So, this is a very much high demand domain right now. And deep learning for computer vision, path and trajectory planning, reinforcement learning, robotics and healthcare, robot control and design, rehabilitation, robotics. So the course content is pretty clear, and I guess they are offering a lot. So who can participate? So obviously the faculties, any faculties of various institutions, the research or scholars, or postgraduate students and industry employees who are working or are interested in this area. So I can assure you that this field is going to take a big boost in coming recent years. So the registration cost, sorry, I told that it was free. So this is for 500 INR for students and faculty, and for industry people it's rupees 1000, and for INR others 1000, and INR foreign participants 4000 INR, 4000 in Indian rupees. So the important points: last date of registration and payment is 25th of June 2021. Certificates are going to be provided to registered participants upon completion of the course. Candidates are advised to register early to avoid disappointment. So you must go and register right now if you are interested. This is a very nice course that is being offered by the one of the most premium institutions of India. So you can just go to the EduBard website and you can find the link here. Also, if you want to know more about like who are the faculties and all, you can just simply click on this link and you will be directed to this tab. So this is a fine template that will clear all your doubts. So the objective and scope: the course imparts in-depth knowledge of social robotics that we have already discussed. The date, as I already told, is June 28 to 4th of July 2021, and jointly organized by three institutions. Everything is just very much clear on this template, and speakers and so these are the tentative speakers: Professor Ashish Datta, Professor in IIT Kanpur, Professor Aprajita Ojha, Professor in PDPM at IIITDM Jabalpur. So you can just Google the names and you can get to know about the profiles of these speakers and the key features that we have already discussed, and the last date of registration 25th of June 2021. You can just find the link for registration, and if I simply click on this, I will be directed to that page. The online payment details has been given, everything is given on the template itself. So this is a Google form in which you will have to choose just select the course name, and since it is one, you can just simply click on any and E and ICT Academy, it's NIT Patna, and we can select our proctor coordinator and all. So then okay, I'll have to select this. Then you'll have to just fill in the basic information and your photograph, date of birth, gender, category, and this is all. So I guess I have made everything pretty clear. So you can just go to the website right now and you can find the registration link here. Okay, so thank you.